Hi friends, and welcome to Decorate Your Life, Scrapbooking and Card Making. Today I bring you a mini album walkthrough using my papers from Graphic 45. I did use a couple of collections to make my Graphic 45 Imagine mini album, and I will leave you with a full supply list in the description area underneath this video. So today I have a Graphic 45 mini album that I want to share with you. I made this mini album with the Graphic 45 rectangle tag and pocket album, and it's this one right here, and these are the measurements to this album. And I tell you, I just love using these because they make scrapbooking so easy. All you have to do is just lay down your papers, attach your papers and your embellishments, and you are done. So if you don't already know, the Graphic 45 rectangular tag and pocket albums provide you with 6 pages, but these pages are like you get 3 per signature. I want to call it a signature. And so anyways, you actually get a total of 6 times 3, 18. Okay, I'm doing math here in my head. Alrighty, so you get a total of 18, and you do get a pocket page per signature, and the pocket is front and back, as you will see in a minute, and you also get a tag. And so and let me just lift this up a little bit so that you can see everything that I've used on here. I did use the Graphic 45 Imagine collection from their 8x8 paper pad, and as you can see here, I have adorned it with some laces and trims for my stash. And we do have here some Graphic 45 rose bouquets in these 2 colors. And I added some leaves, and these are medals. The keys from Graphic 45, and right along this key, if you could see that, that is also a brad from Graphic 45. And over here we have another metal piece from Graphic 45, and I did use the dies to make the frame. I used the clock die to make the frame for this pretty picture right along here. And as you can see, I've used a bit of chipboard right along there, and I did ink it around the edges with a Graphic 45 ink in photogenic. And I don't know if you can tell over here, but I went ahead and used the Graphic 45 chipboard pieces here and here to adorn my metal corners. And yeah, I've also inked them around the edges with a photogenic. And over here, this is just a small banner that I made using one of their ephemera cards from this collection. And all I did was pop dotted, or I used the foam squares to make it dimensional. And let me show you what I did in the back. I wanted to do something completely different, and all I did was I took plain black cardstock and I ran it through my embossing machine, and I used one of my embossing folders for my stash. And don't ask me which one it is, because I have tons of embossing folders and I don't remember which one I used. So, but this was done with embossing folders. Isn't that neat? I love that look. And so what I've done here is I added that door knocker from Graphic 45, and over here I just I just trimmed a little bit of a sentiment, and I put it this is a sticker. This is a sticker that I stuck right here in this little spot where let me show you. This spot right here that you get in the albums, that's what I've done. Okay, it must be close to lunchtime. because I'm not thinking straight, but let me go on. And this is what the back looks like. And let me go ahead and start doing the flip through. And as you can see, it is very much cut and dry. And I used my dies from my stash, and I did use two paper collections for this. I used Patterns and Solids from a Garden Goddess, and of course my 8x8 Graphic 45 Imagine collection. So let's check it out.